Victor Lingdo, our Archbishop of Shillong Archdiocese, Bishop C.J. Jose, or should I say Bishop D.J. Jose, because it's DJ. We just missed by one letter. So for today you will be Bishop D.J. Jose, to go with the theme. Father Sylvanus Onkenry, our rector of St. Paul's Seminary, Father Paul, our other Reverend Fathers and Sisters and Brothers who are present here today, my colleagues in the Cabinet, Shri Hamletson Dolling, Shri Dasaket Lamare, our Honorable MDC, Shri Ronnie Willingdo, all the past pupils of St. Paul's Seminary, Upper Shillong, and all my dear friends and parents who have joined us here today on this the Diamond Jubilee celebration of St. Paul's Seminary, Upper Shillong. I was going through the entire list of all the past pupils, and the names that are there, you see the name of Archbishop Victor Lingdo, you see the name of Bishop C.J. Jose, you see the names of all other 9 archbishops and bishops, and so many Reverend Fathers, rectors. It's a galaxy of people who have passed out from here. And therefore, on this Diamond Jubilee celebration, it is indeed a great honor for me and for my colleagues to be here to be part of this celebration. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank God Almighty for the blessings that He has given to St. Paul's Seminary, to all the past pupils, and thank Him for guiding St. Paul's Seminary and the entire team, and for His blessings to bring this institution to where it is today. So we must all thank God Almighty for this beautiful, for this wonderful day, and for the wonderful past 60 years. I was asking Archbishop Victor Lingdo that which year were you here? So he was mentioning that he was here from 71 to 76, and I was 78. And I was asking Bishop C.J. Jose also that what year he was here, and he said he was here from 76 to 78. So I asked our Honorable MLA, what were you doing that time? He said, I was already General Secretary of case here. And then I found out that he also played football during that time out here. And I was also contesting for elections by that time. Of course, that's a joke, but just imagine the rich history that this place has brought, and the kind of contribution that has been made by so many people to bring this institute to where it is today.